In today's video, we are going to decorate my open shelves for just not necessarily spring, but just for fun until I'm ready to decorate for spring. However, some of the items that I'm using, you could use for spring as well. So let's just get started. All right, you guys have seen these a million times, and they are supposed to be used for decor, like decorating purposes as well as functional. So I mixed the two, and I hope it turns out. It usually does, but I'm going to just start on this bottom shelf first. And you have seen me use these before, and everybody always wants them. I did find something similar, so I will link them in the description. They're not just the exact same thing. So they are these wooden like little cake things, and this one I got some faux pears from Hobby Lobby and put them in there. I love this green color for spring. It's so pretty. I actually wasn't going to put them in this. I was going to put them in a tray, but I just fell in love with how they looked in there. So I'm just going to start by putting those up here. And then in this one, I don't really have anything to put in it, but I do have this really cute marble like salt bowl and little spoon that I think is cute. And so I'm just going to pop that in there for that one. All right, next I have this The Sun Will Come Out sign. I shared this in a recent haul. I'll link it below. It's just perfect for spring, especially when you live in Idaho and you never see the sun. We're just craving the sun. So I'm just going to layer that behind here like that. And then in the corner, I have my cake stand and plates. We use the plates, we use the bowls, and the cake stand is just so fun. And I like to, for some reason, I like to have height in the corner. I don't know, I really like the way that looks. All right, I moved the camera so you can see over here. Right here, I'm going to stack my white plates and some more salad plates. I've shared this little pot before. It says I love you. I think it's so cute for spring. My little fern in here is not looking so great, but I like it anyway. And I'm just going to stack these next to the cake stand, and I'm just gonna pop this right on top. And then next to that, I just have my cups. Some of them are in the dishwasher, but I'm just going to put these here. These are from Target. They're plastic, but I love them because they still look pretty, but I don't have to worry about my kids breaking them. I hope you can see the top shelf. I'm gonna keep it pretty simple, and just on this corner here, I have these white and black striped pictures that I'm gonna just nestle up here. And then in the corner, I'm gonna fall on my face, but I'm gonna put this little fern. I've showed this before. This is the biggest one. I have the smaller one too. And I'm gonna put that in the corner like that. And then right here on this side, I have a stack of bowls that I'm gonna tuck up there. And then I have the gingham dish towel that I just kind of put off the side there just for like an added bit of texture and color for spring. And I think it turned out really cute. It's very, very simple. And then I'll come in with Easter eggs and bunnies and stuff and fill in a couple weeks. little space too with a few new things that I bought recently. I'm gonna start with this beautiful barn picture that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I'm just gonna hang it above these hooks like that. These hooks are just, they're not screwed in, they are just stuck up here with command hooks, so I can't hang anything too heavy on them. But I didn't want to screw them into the side of my cabinet. And then I shared these bells in a recent haul, and oh, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. So I'm gonna just hang these here like that. And then you've probably seen this basket before that I always hang over here. I just love hanging baskets, you guys. I mean, how many is too many? Because you'll see I bought some more and I bought one more. Ugh. Anyway, I feel like this would be really cute too on a front door. I can't link this, but I'll link one that I just bought from Target. It's even cuter. It has a little scallop border and I think it's adorable. And then in the basket, I bought this pick. It's huge. Just one pick from a local boutique. And I'm just gonna plop that in there like so. And just give it a little bit of green over here for spring. And ta-da, I think it looks darling. What do you think? Can you even see the picture up there? I don't know, I'll show you up close, but I love this pick. I love that it has little flowers. It has like berries, and then it has like twig looking branches. So I think it's cute. Decorate this wooden tray also in this video. This is going to go on my island. It is kind of more springy than the other places, but it's okay. I'm going to start by this beautiful vessel that I got at Hobby Lobby recently. It is so good. It's $13.99. Well, shoot. Anyway, it's $13.99, and it's just the texture, it's heavy duty, it's really pretty. And then inside I'm gonna just put some green sprigs. These ones have little white berries on top. And then I have a white cake pedestal. This needs to look a little fuller. And on top of that, I have this. All right, on top of here I have a white cake pedestal, and I'm going to layer a actual cake, like one of these domes on top, just to give it some height. Isn't this beautiful? I will link something similar down below. I don't think it's the exact same thing, but I got this in a local boutique, and so I don't know where it's from. Like, I don't know. There's nothing, it just says made in China. There's no brand on it. But in this bowl, I'm going to put some really fun bowls that I got at Target and a moss ball. And then look at how fun these little bunnies are from the Target dollar spot. They're $3 and they look like wood. And I just think they're really fun. And I'm gonna just put him in here with the plate or the bowls. And then put the dome on top. And if you saw my last video, I shared these pretty plates, and I'm just gonna stack those right in front. And then just for added texture, I'm gonna put that little cute bunny towel. And there we go. today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in any of the products that I used, everything's linked in the description box below. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.